It's time to spice up your vanilla cake. This is the best ever and I know you will love it so much. So feel free to enjoy this video to the end. This is the best upgraded vanilla cake ever. Here are the recipe you need: flour, eggs, baking powder, cinnamon, milk, evaporated milk, golden syrup, black charcoal, vanilla flavor, and scotch butter. Okay, add the dry ingredients together and you take your time to sieve. It's important to sieve your dry ingredients. You can sieve up to 1, 2, 3, 4 times depending on how you want to. So it's pretty good. It helps to incorporate air to your flour and the outcome is very good. Is beautiful. So feel free to sieve and sieve and sieve and sieve. If you're new to this channel, this is the first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipe. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love. So feel free to be a part of this channel. I have more than 500 videos I know you will enjoy. So you will never regret coming to this channel today. So be a part by clicking on the subscribe button, and to be sincere with you, subscription is free just for you to be getting alerts of my newest video. So feel free to add your eggs in a different bowl. Some said if you don't whisk your egg till it forms up white bubbles, it will not rise, the cake will not come out pretty. Lie is a lie. I said is a lie. If you want to whisk it, feel free to do, but if you don't want, no problem. We need 500 grams of butter for this, and we'll be adding the sugar in the measurement at once. Immediately it's 500, we'll be measuring in 300 grams of sugar to reach to have 800 grams. Please, if you're in an area your butter is strong or you just brought it out from the freezer, it's very necessary and important you microwave a little bit before you start using. Yes, because here now the weather is pretty good. That is why I'm not microwaving it today, and the butter have been out of the fridge for a while. So now we are going to achieve with the 500 grams of butter, 300 grams of sugar, we'll have 800 grams all together. Cream and cream and cream. And if you have hand mixer, good. If you have standing mixer, good. You can use your hand. Just make sure you get that fluffy texture before you start incorporating others. But I have a lot happening today around me, so I'm doing meat pie, I'm doing so many other things, so I'm going to be using my standing mixer. Look at that. So I'll start in little speed till I increase. If you cream a little, if you're using hand mixer or standing mixer, please have to scrape the body again and again and again and again till everything is ready. All you need is that lovely color, cream color, and fluffy texture. If you just raise it with your turning stick, it will just fall off. That's the best and easy and local way to check whether it's ready. That is pretty okay. Right now our batter is ready. Yeah, the batter, you can see how fluffy it's looking. So it's time to start mixing. Add in a little flour, a little egg, a little anything you want to start. Please, there is no special way of mixing this. You can just pour all the eggs together, incorporate before you start adding. Use your milk and flour and add a little. But if you want to follow my style, a little egg, a little flour, a little egg, a little flour. Like I said, feel free if you want to whisk, but that theory you must whisk and whisk till it forms white is a lie. There is nothing like that. Whether you whisk or you no whisk, my dear, your cake is going to come out beautiful if you mix thoroughly. And please don't over mix. This video is on speed so that I will not have a long video, so don't think I'm doing it in a speed motion or whatever, but make sure gradually. All you need to is just fold in to get all the white flour mixed up with your batter. So do it gently, 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 gently. When you pour the last flour, you go in with your milk, add your vanilla flavor, your scotch butter, and you are good to go. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? Be a part of this lovely channel just by clicking on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. Whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. And to my old subscribers, I appreciate you all so much. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to like the video. Half tablespoon of vanilla flavor, half tablespoon of butterscotch to your buttermilk, and you're good to go. Mix thoroughly, mix thoroughly, mix thoroughly, mix thoroughly. Please on a low motion, little at a time. Yes, like I said, we are spicing up our vanilla flavor. That is why you see me, I'm mixing butterscotch with vanilla flavor. This combination is crazy, is lovely, is wow. So try it and come back and thank me. So with the golden syrup and black charcoal, oh my god, your clients will come again and say, madam, what did you add this time around? This cake tastes different. So going in with a tablespoon of golden syrup and a tablespoon of black charcoal coming soon. So don't think subscribing to this channel is free. Very free. Total, sincerely, it is free. It is free just for you to be getting a lot of my new video. Whenever I drop new video, you will get an alert. So be a part. Don't you love this? Don't you love the color? Don't you love that? Okay, please like this video. Like. Refer people to Progressive Recipe. If you have somebody that want to start baking newly, that want to start pastry business, this is the right channel for that person. Seriously, they will not regret. I have more than 500 videos that is teaching about cake decorations, pastries, a lot more that you will learn. So I'm using this. Yeah, though they said this is a non-stick pan because I don't want to take chances. I greased with my butter and I also dust with my flour before adding this butter. If you have baking papers, oh, good and pretty, okay, feel free to place them down and you pour in your cake batter. I'm good to go right now. Straight to my oven. I've been preheating the oven before I start mixing the cake batter. Look at that beauty. After 30 minutes, the cake is ready. Please don't wait for my own timing. Use medium heat and I promise you'll be checking your cake after 25 minutes. If your cake is dry up, you can throw in a skewer to see whether nothing is coming out. You have a beautiful cake. Look at that. Let's check the inside, how lovely is looking. This cake is something you need to try. Even though you're not doing cake for client or for business, please make this for your family. Let them take it with hot tea and come back to me and you will be full, your mouth will be filled with thanks. Seriously, look at how soft. Look at how soft. Isn't this beautiful? Thanks a million for watching. Please like this video. Subscribe, like, refer people to my channel. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Bye.